Hello everyone! Hello to all the members of I1 International here in the Philippines and throughout the world. My name is Elmer Spark and I'm one of the company direct and the grand outline of I1 Conquerors Clan International. Right now I'm here at I1 head office at the Ortigas Center, Manila, Philippines. I'm holding the pay-in of partner Sheila Pauwal of Alberta, Canada. Okay, so here's your pay-in. I received your money just this afternoon. So without any delay, I'm here right now at the head office to purchase your product package. All right, so congratulations that you are now part of I1, and I strongly believe that this company, okay, will be an instrument, will be a channel and a bridge for you to achieve your dreams. Alright, so thank you so much, and those who are watching this video, guys, don't hesitate, okay? Don't doubt, okay? Immediately, right now, guys, be part of the company. Join I1 now. Alright, see you at the top.